Imagine waking up and knowing you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's actually possible. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 real ways to start building wealth, even if you're young and just getting started. Let's kick it off with the mindset shift that changes everything. Chapter 1. What does money working for you actually mean? Most people grow up believing you have to trade time for money. You work, you get paid, you stop working, the money stops too. But the rich, they flip that script. They figure out how to earn even when they're not actively working. That's the power of money working for you. Here's the difference. Earned income equals money you work for, like a job. Passive income equals money that works while you don't, like investments, interest, or digital products. It doesn't mean doing nothing. It means setting up systems that keep generating money with little or no effort later. This is how you escape the cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. You stop being a money worker and start becoming a money owner. And it starts with something simple: putting your money in the right places instead of letting it sit around or disappear on impulse buys. Let's talk about the first step to make that happen. Start with automating your savings. Before your money can work for you, you need to actually have money to work with. That's why saving comes first. And automation is the secret weapon. Most people try to save what's left after spending, but there's usually nothing left. So here's the mindset shift. Pay yourself first. Always. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money into your savings the moment you get paid, even if it's just $10 or $20. Why does this matter? Because it removes the decision-making. No, should I save this week? No temptation. It just happens, like a bill you owe your future self. You can use your bank's auto transfer feature, a separate savings account just for this, or even apps like Chime, Ally, or Revolut that make it super smooth. The goal here isn't to save a huge amount overnight. It's to build the habit, so your money starts moving in the right direction automatically. Once you've got that in place, your savings will quietly grow in the background, and now you're ready for the next level. Chapter 3. Invest, even if you start small. Investing is how your money earns more money, through compound growth. It's like putting your dollars to work, and they bring friends back with them. Here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't even need hundreds of dollars. Thanks to modern apps and platforms, you can start investing with just $5 or $10. Start small, stay consistent. That's the key. And if you're wondering when the right time to start is, it's now. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if it's slow at first, compound interest turns small efforts into huge results over time. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich eventually, and letting time and patience do the heavy lifting. Chapter 4. Create small streams of passive income. Passive income means you do the work once, and the money keeps coming in with little or no effort later. And no, you don't need a massive YouTube channel or real estate portfolio to start. Here are a few realistic passive income ideas. Even if you're young and just getting started, sell digital products, ebooks, Canva templates, study guides, or printables. Sites like Gumroad or Etsy make this easy. Affiliate links. Share a product or app you love. If someone signs up or buys, you earn a small cut, automatically. Print on demand, design merch or stickers once, and let platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle the rest. Create content. Short-form videos, blogs, or reels that can bring in ad revenue, even while you're offline. Start small. Try one idea. You don't need to make $1,000 a month. Even $10 or $50 of passive income is proof that it works, and you can scale from there. The key is simple. Set it up once and let it keep earning in the background. That's when your money and your creativity really start working for you. Now that you've got money flowing in, let's make sure it's earning as much as it can, with almost zero risk. Chapter 5. Use high-yield savings and bank bonuses. Most people let their money sit in regular savings accounts, earning almost nothing, like 0.01% interest. That's basically letting your money nap instead of work. But with a high-yield savings account, your money can earn 20 to 40 times more interest, with zero extra effort. Seriously, right now, you can find banks offering 4% APY or more. That means your money grows, slowly but steadily, just by sitting there. And the best part? It's 100% passive and risk-free. Many online banks and apps offer sign-up bonuses. Just by opening an account and depositing a certain amount, you could earn $50 to $300. Free money. No catch, just terms to follow. So instead of letting your cash chill in a low-interest account, move it to one that actually does something. You won't get rich, but your money won't sit there doing nothing either. Now that you've set up systems to grow your money, let's talk about the one habit that keeps you growing forever, even while you sleep. Chapter 6. Keep learning while you sleep too. So far, we've talked about making your money work for you. But here's the secret no one talks about. The best passive asset you'll ever build is your brain. Because the more you know about money, how it works, how to grow it, how to protect it, the more power you have. And just like your cash, your knowledge can grow while you sleep. How? Easy. Listen to podcasts while walking or commuting. Read or listen to 5 to 10 minutes of a money book before bed. Watch videos like this one instead of endless scrolling. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. And better decisions equals more money working for you. Don't underestimate the power of slow, steady learning. While others are sleeping on their potential, you're waking up with new knowledge. And that compounds faster than interest ever could. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or speak with a licensed financial advisor before making financial decisions. Today, you learned how to start saving automatically, invest even with a few dollars, build passive income, earn more from your bank, and keep learning every day, even while you sleep. You don't have to be rich to make money work for you. You just need the right mindset, a few smart systems, and a little consistency. This is how real wealth starts. Not from luck or a crazy idea, but from doing the right small things over and over again. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to White Budgeting, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their money game.